Fluid dynamics plays a pivotal role in several industries, dictating the efficacy of processes like mixing, which is a critical operation in pharmaceuticals, agriculture, manufacturing, and more. At the heart of mastering this process is understanding a key concept, Centipoise. It's the key to effective mixing, enabling technologies such as those developed by EvenMix to revolutionize how we combine different substances. Let's explore the critical role of Centipoise in fluid dynamics and how it enhances EvenMix's innovative mixing technology. Viscosity is a fundamental property of fluids that describes their resistance to flow. The measurement of this resistance is where Centipoise, CP, comes into play. A centipoise is 1/100th of a poise, the unit for dynamic viscosity in the CGS, centimeter-gram-second, system of units. Simply put, the lower the centipoise value, the lower the fluid's viscosity, making it flow more easily. Think water at approximately 1 cp at room temperature. On the other end of the spectrum, fluids with higher centipoise values like paint or honey can be quite thick and flow much more slowly, showing greater resistance to mixing and movement. Understanding a material's viscosity is essential in the mixing process. For instance, when using mixing technology to combine ingredients in a product, the viscosity of each component must be considered to ensure they're blended efficiently and effectively. The difference in viscosity influences the selection of equipment, the duration of mixing, the power required, and the final consistency of the product. With the diversity of fluids across different industries, a one-size-fits-all approach to mixing doesn't suffice. EvenMix's innovative mixing technology recognizes this challenge and provides a flexible solution. Whether dealing with low-viscosity fluids that need gentle stirring or high-viscosity substances that require more robust mixing action, EvenMix mixers are precisely designed to handle varying viscosities. By accurately adapting to the fluid's specific centipoise, EvenMix technology ensures that whether a mixture is as thin as acetone or as thick as peanut butter, the mixer can manage it with the same level of efficiency. This versatility is crucial for maintaining quality and consistency, especially when scaling up production, where precise control over the mixture's homogeneity is critical. The implications of using Centipoise in mixing technology are vast. In the chemical industry, achieving a uniform blend of substances can make the difference between a safe, effective product and one that's not. In the food and beverage sector, the even distribution of ingredients is essential for both quality and taste. In cosmetics, the consistency and feel of the product are paramount and only possible with proper mixing. By utilizing EvenMix technology, industries benefit from the ability to create consistent, homogeneous mixtures that meet their specific needs. It's not just about mixing more effectively, it's about enhancing the end product's quality, stability, and performance by understanding and applying the principles of Centipoise to the mixing process. Thus, Centipoise is more than a unit of measurement for viscosity. It's a gateway to mastering fluid dynamics, which is essential for innovation in mixing technology. EvenMix stands at the forefront of this field, offering solutions that adapt to and effectively mix fluids of all viscosities. For those seeking a partner in mixing technology, EvenMix ensures that your products will be mixed to perfection regardless of the fluid's resistance to flow. For more information, visit http://evenmix.com. http://evenmix.com, Mastering Fluid Dynamics, Centipoise, EvenMix Technology. http://youtube.com, watch, VTub-Z5 QA6 BSMs. smoothon.com, page, viscosity scale. https://evenmix.com, product, EvenMix air-geared motor.